For backlink building, we acquired 143 new referring domains and about 182,000 backlinks over the last 3 months. Achieved about 1.2 million total backlinks and about 1.5 thousand referring domains, strengthening the site's authority. 99.8% of backlinks are follow links, adding real SEO value. Focused on contextual and niche relevant link acquisition. SEO growth and performance optimization for Adelo.com. Let's talk about the client first. The website is Adelo.com. The industry is ad tech, AI-powered digital marketing. Adelo is a leading AI-driven advertising technology company providing mobile and programmatic advertising solutions worldwide. The brand focuses on delivering personalized ad experiences powered by artificial intelligence and real-time analytics. The client's goal was to strengthen its organic visibility and authority in the global ad tech industry. Their key objectives were boost organic traffic and impressions across search engines, improved keyword rankings for both branded and non-branded search terms, increase user engagement and retention through content and UX optimization, build a robust backlink profile, and improve domain authority. Now let's talk about the initial challenges. Limited keyword visibility, few organic terms were ranking, low CTR despite impressions growth, moderate domain rating and limited referral domains, short average engagement time from organic users. Now let's talk about our SEO strategy. First of all, technical SEO enhancements, optimized core web vitals and mobile usability, achieved 215 good URLs on both mobile and desktop, improved site loading time with image compression, caching and minifield scripts, structured data markup added to enhance search visibility, verified all pages were correctly indexed and crawlable in Google Search Console. Secondly, on-page optimization, refined meta titles, descriptions and header hierarchy for top performing pages, strengthened internal linking to distribute link equity effectively, enhanced keyword targeting on high potential pages, example AI advertising, mobile marketing, ad tech solutions, updated image alt attributes for better accessibility and SEO value. Then we focused on content strategy, created informative blog posts focusing on trending ad tech topics, AI marketing and innovation insights, published case studies showcasing measurable campaign outcomes, refreshed underperforming content with new data and optimized keywords, focused on brand building and thought leadership content for organic authority. Now comes the off-page SEO part of things. For backlink building, we acquired 143 new referring domains and about 182,000 backlinks over the last 3 months. Achieved about 1.2 million total backlinks and about 1.5 thousand referring domains, strengthening the site's authority. 99.8% of backlinks are follow links, adding real SEO value. Focused on contextual and niche relevant link acquisition. Then comes the part of continuous monitoring and optimization. So regular keyword tracking via Google Search Consoles and Ahrefs, analyzed organic sessions and engagement behavior in GA4 to refine strategy, maintained consistent growth trend and improved ranking stability. Now let's talk about results and performance growth. Search Console insights, last 3 months versus previous 3 months, metric, previous, current, growth. Total clicks were 1.55k to 1.81k, plus 16.7%. Total impressions improved from 317k to 367k, positive of 15.8%. Average position improved from 37.4 to 32.7, improved by 12.6%. Top query growth, P excellent stream, 31 clicks, LED vision drone, 32 clicks. New ranking keywords gained. GA4 analytics highlights active users from 3.4k plus of 27.6%. New users to 3.3k positive of 26.3%. Event count 17k which was a positive of 14.3%. Organic search users 785, 24% of total traffic. Average engagement time organic improved to 42 seconds. Ahrefs backlink overview. Metric, previous, current, growth, and domain rating. The domain rating came up from 37 to 50, that's a plus 13 points. Referring domains from 1300 to 1500 plus, a plus of 140 plus. Backlinks from 1.02 million to 1.2 million, a plus of 182,000. And follow backlinks for 99%. Strongly authority links. Top organic sources: Google 884 sessions, Bing 54 sessions, Edition.cnn.com 47 referral sessions, ChatGPT.com 32 sessions. Now let's talk about the key achievements. 215 good URLs on both mobile and desktop. Excellent site health. Plus 15% increase in organic impressions and clicks. Again, plus 27% growth in overall users within 30 days. Improved rankings for key ad tech and AI related keywords. Plus 143 new referring domains and about 182,000 backlinks added. Strengthened domain rating from 37 to 50. Organic users now represent nearly 25% of the total traffic. To conclude, through a comprehensive mix of technical improvements, on-page optimization, strategic content creation, and high-quality backlink acquisition, Adelo.com achieved consistent organic growth and improved visibility in the ad tech industry. Our data-driven SEO approach helps strengthen Adelo's authority and brand presence globally, setting a strong foundation for continued upward momentum. Hope the information shared in this video was of value. Would appreciate if you can leave your comments below. Would see you in the next video. Thank you.